Good morning students, let's start our ICT class. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is designing in OpenOffice Impress. In the last class we have studied about OpenOffice Writer and we very well know what we have to do in that OpenOffice Writer. We used to type our documents in a very beautiful and attractive way. In this chapter we are going to study about OpenOffice Impress, in which we are going to learn how to make a presentation. For making presentation, first of all we will install openoffice.org in our laptop. After installing openoffice.org, we are going to click on that icon which will appear on our desktop. After clicking on the desktop, the window which will be opened will be like this. Let's see. Now this is the window of openoffice.org. We are having many options over here. For opening OpenOffice Writer, we used to click on the text document. Now for the OpenOffice Impress, we have to make presentation in that, so we will click on the presentation option like this. After clicking on the presentation option, a presentation wizard will be opened, in which we are having three options: empty presentation, from template, open existing presentation. Empty presentation means the presentation which we are going to make is totally blank, in which we will give all our own invention. From template means we will be getting many options, many designs which is already present in our OpenOffice Impress like this. We can select any one and we can give the design to our presentation. Third option is open existing presentation. That means if any presentation has been made before, we can see that presentation and take the help from that presentation. So for we are making a new presentation and we are the first user, so we will click on the empty presentation. After clicking on the empty presentation, we will click on the next option. In the next option, we are getting slide design. This chapter is of designing in OpenOffice Impress, so we will select the slide design according to our need. Suppose if I want blue lines and gradients like this. See how beautiful it is. We can just then click next. Here we are having two options: slide transition and presentation type. Presentation type has been selected by default. If we are clicking on automatic, that means we can set the time according to our need of the page and how much time we have to pause. In slide transition, we have to select the effect. Effect should be like this, wipe left. Okay, like this it will move. And speed we can set according to our need. That is, if we want slow, it will go slow. After that, we will click on create. See, this is our main window of OpenOffice Impress, where we are going to create our own presentation. We have already given the design because we were having the option to give the design. In the right hand side, we are seeing the layout properties option. Many properties are given, with the help of which we will just make the presentation. Layout means layout of the slide which we are giving in the presentation. Slide, what is a slide? Slide is the electronic page of the presentation, in which we are creating our own documents, own topic, own picture. We have to click on this and we can write any topic if we want. See, now related topic of that, we can type any lines, anything. Now we want a next slide. For having a next slide, we will go to the insert option and we will click slide. The next topic will be, next slide will come. In this way we will make the presentation. And after making presentation, what we do, we have to just click on the slideshow option, or we can press the F5 key for showing our presentation. See, can you see how beautifully it is coming? Very good. Now for coming out of it, we will press escape key. Understood? Rest we will learn in the next class. You will make a small presentation like this only with the help of your icon and with the help of the properties given over here. Thank you.